Many people believe that applying heat to vegetables zaps their nutrition. While it's true that certain cooking methods can change the amount of nutrients you get from many vegetables, it's not always for the worse. Do you think you know which vegetables are better eaten raw versus cooked? Let's take the quiz to find out.
Hi, I am Dr. I. Welcome to a healthy dose. Let's become healthier together.
Vegetable number 1, spinach. Raw or cooked? Cooked spinach is better. Cooked spinach has higher nutritional value, especially since cooking reduces the leaf size, making it easier to consume more. Vegetable number 2, mushrooms. Raw or cooked? Cooked mushrooms are better. Cooking also improves the taste and digestibility, promoting increased mushroom consumption and helping meet daily vegetable goals. Vegetable number 3, garlic. Raw or cooked? Raw garlic is better. Ultimately, whether you consume raw or cooked garlic, the health differences are minor, and the choice should be based on personal preference. Most people don't consume enough garlic to significantly impact their health. Cooked garlic is often preferred for its milder flavor and ease of consumption. Vegetable number 4, carrots. Raw or cooked? Cooked carrots are better. Cooked carrots supply more carotenoids and antioxidants than they do when they are raw. Vegetable number 5, onions. Raw or cooked? Raw onions are better. Onions supply more beneficial compounds called thiosulfonates when raw. Vegetable number 6, beets. Raw or cooked? Raw beets are better. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which are nitrogen-based compounds that have been linked to a range of health benefits, including lower blood pressure. Vegetable number 7, green beans. Raw or cooked? Green beans are better cooked. Raw green beans contain a protein called lectin, which disturb digestion and cause symptoms like nausea, vomiting, upset stomach, diarrhea, bloating, and gas, and can make foods less nutritious by interfering with the absorption of minerals, especially calcium, iron, phosphorus, and zinc. Vegetable number 8, celery. Raw or cooked? Celery is better cooked. These crunchy leafy stalks are full of vital nutrients, including antioxidants, fiber, folate, potassium, and vitamins A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. In one 2009 study, researchers found that cooking celery increased its antioxidant levels. Vegetable number 9, kale. Raw versus cooked? Raw kale is better. Kale is loaded with compounds called glucosinolates. When you chop or chew kale, an enzyme is released that converts glucosinolates to new compounds called isothiocyanates, which can trigger anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer pathways in the body. Heat from cooking, however, destroys those enzymes, preventing that reaction and making isothiocyanates less available. Vegetable number 10, tomatoes. Raw or cooked? Cooked tomatoes are better. Tomatoes are one of the richest sources of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to reduced risks of certain cancers as well as cardiovascular disease, including stroke. Heat from cooking can change the shape of lycopene, making it easier for the body to absorb. So in conclusion, more important than how you consume vegetables is that you consume them at all. Most adults need at least 2 to 4 cups of vegetables each day, and consuming a variety of vegetables in an assortment of ways is crucial for a healthy diet. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on the video here.